welcome back to Learn English with Adriana. Today we are diving into uncountable noun words that don't take an S in the plural. Sounds confusing? Don't worry, by the end of this video you will understand what they are, common mistakes, and how to use them correctly. Let's go! First, what is an uncountable noun? Let me show you some examples. Water, bread, knowledge, money, and electricity. These are the nouns that we cannot count individually. They usually refer to things that are liquids, substances, concepts, or activities. You can't say 2 waters or 3 knowledges, it just doesn't work. Instead, we use them as a whole. Now that we know uncountable nouns cannot be counted individually, let's look at some common categories. These will help you recognize them easily. Here are some common types of uncountable nouns. You can look at some examples for each category on the screen. Many English learners make mistakes with uncountable nouns, so let's fix them. You cannot use I have many informations. This sentence is incorrect because the word information cannot be counted. Instead, you can use I have a lot of information. The sentence she gave me 2 advices is also wrong. Instead, you can use she gave me some advice or a piece of advice. Let's make uncountable nouns countable. If you want to count uncountable nouns, use quantifiers like these: a bottle of water, a cup of coffee, a slice of bread, a piece of advice. Instead of saying 2 waters, say 2 bottles of water. Instead of 3 informations, say 3 pieces of information. Quiz time! Now let's test what you've learned. I'll show you a sentence, pause the video, and guess the correct answer.